Assalamu alaikum.
Salam rahmatullah.
I have been reflecting on something. If Allah has blessed us with hair, is it permissible to remove it completely and become bald? Would this not be considered impermissible since we are altering something that Allah has given us? I would appreciate your clarification on this matter.
First of all, the hair on a man's body is divided into three categories. One, haram to remove. So you can't remove your eyebrows, you can't remove your beard. This is totally prohibited. Two, mandatory to remove. And this is your armpit and your pubic hair. In Islam, Islam is a religion of purity and cleanliness. You will never find a real Muslim practicing man with the jungles of Africa under his arm and gorillas and monkeys jumping from one tree to the other. No, it is clean shaven or plucked, because this is the sunnah that the Prophet ordered us ﷺ to do. And likewise, down under, you have to remove the pubic hair and shave it, both men and women. And this is the purity and the beauty of Islam. It's mandatory. Number three, or category three, is the rest of the hair in the body. My arm hair, my legs hair, my chest hair. If I want to remove it, it's halal. If I want to keep it, it's halal. So these are the three categories according to Islam, not to my reflection and my thinking is, what should I do? Like some atheists or agnostics or hypocrites. When you say to them, Akhi, it's haram to shave the beard for men. So, okay, why do we then shave our pubic hair and the under armpit hair? It doesn't make sense. Subhanallah. This is exactly what Shaitan did. Satan was ordered to prostrate to Adam by Allah. Prostrate to Adam. He said, nope, sorry, I'll pass. Why? He said, well, I'm better than him. You've created me from fire and you created him from clay. Allah didn't ask you who's better. Allah told you a straightforward command, and now you are trying to logic it and up in hell for eternity.